Hey, I wanted to record a song for you, and it's probably going to have some mistakes, but I wanted to write the first chapter since I've never done it before. It's first for me. It'll be the first chapter in our new book of firsts. So I hope you appreciate it, even if it comes out bad. I'm a stone throw from the mill, and I'm a good walk to the river. When my working day's over, we'll go swim our cares away. Put your toes down in the water and a smile across your face. Tell me that you love me, my lovely lady. No, I ain't the sharpest chisel that your hands have ever held, but darling, I could love you well till the roll is called. And I've seen my share of troubles, I've held my weight in shame, but I'm baptized in your name, lovely lady. Though the wind can leave you shivering as it waltzes over leaves, I've been rushed through your timber as your love brought on the spring. Now the mountains are blushing and they don't know what to say, except a good long line of praises for my lovely lady. Now I ain't the toughest hickory that your axe has ever felled, but darling, I could love you well, and I'm a hickory all the same. I came crashing through the forest as your love brought on the spring. See, I definitely messed it up, but there it is.